So equation of a plane perpendicular to a given vector and are passing through a given point here. In this case this is a plane here. The given point is E into bracket x1 y1 z1 and this is a vector here means perpendicular to this plane here. So n bar is a perpendicular to this plane. Equation of plane perpendicular to a given vector. This is a vector here. Given vector n bar perpendicular to this plane and passing through a point of x1 y1 z1 here. So let a plane passing through a point into bracket x1 y1 z1 with the position vector a bar. Here a bar is a bar here. This is a position vector of the point A and perpendicular to the vector n bar. N bar is a vector perpendicular to this plane here. Here we want equation of this plane here. Let r bar be the position vector of a point P x y z in the plane here. This point lies in the plane here. Its position vector is r bar. Hence AP bar is equal to, arrow marks are important here. AP bar is equal to OP minus OA. OP is equal to r bar here. OA is equal to a bar. Hence it is r bar minus a bar here. Then this point P lies in the plane if and only if AP is a perpendicular to a bar. If the point P lies in the plane here, then AP and this one both are perpendicular here. Okay, I will explain here. So consider this our plane here. Okay, here is the one point P here. So this is a point P and this is a point A here. Then just join it here like this. Then here this is a n bar here. This is a vector n bar. This vector and this is both perpendicular here. The point P lies on the plane here. Then AP as well as n bar both are perpendicular to each other. Yes, the point P lies on the plane, then AP and n bar both are perpendicular. If they are perpendicular, then dot product must be 0. AP dot n bar equal to 0. But AP is equal to what here? R bar minus a bar. Dot of n bar equal to 0. So this is the vector equation of the plane here. Okay, this is a vector equation. Then you write the Cartesian equation of the plane here. In the examination, you have to write both vector form as well as Cartesian form. Then you will get a 5 marks here. This is a 5 marks here. 3 times they are asked here. Okay. So next here Cartesian form. Here coordinate of the point A, x1, y1, z1 here. Therefore the position vector A bar here. A bar is equal to the vector OA bar is equal to x1i plus y1z plus z1k. Then the coordinate of the point P x y z here. Therefore r bar is equal to OP bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. And let A, B, C are direction ratios of the vector n bar here. So these are the direction ratios of n bar. Therefore n bar is equal to AI plus Bj plus Ck. Use these 3 vectors in the equation 1 here. Therefore equation 1 becomes r bar is there. Here r bar is xi plus yj plus zk minus of a bar is this vector here x1i plus y1z plus z1k. So bracket complete here. Dot product here. N bar is this vector. So ai plus bj plus ck that is equal to 0. Here this vector minus this vector here. Yes, x minus x1 into I. X minus x1 into I plus y minus y1. Y minus y1 into z plus z minus z1 into k. Bracket complete here. Then dot of ai plus bj plus ck, that is equal to 0. So dot product of these vectors here, it's a dot product is given by this into this here. So a into x minus x1, then plus this into this here, b into y minus y1, then plus this into this here. So c into bracket z minus z1 is equal to 0. So this is a Cartesian equation here. So this is the Cartesian equation of the plane. This is the Cartesian equation of the plane. In the examination, you have to write both vector form as well as Cartesian form here. Then only you get a 5 marks here. Okay. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the plane which are passing to the point 5 to minus 4 and perpendicular to the line with the direction ratios are 2, 3, minus 1 here. Here they given this point here. Okay. So here E into bracket x1, y1, z1 is equal to 5 to minus 4 here. Therefore, the vector a bar is equal to OA bar is equal to 5y plus 2z minus 4k, and direction ratios of n bar are, okay, direction ratios of this vector here, n bar 2, 3, minus 1 here. Therefore, A is equal to 2 here, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to minus 1 here. So, you know, A, B, C are the direction ratios here. Therefore, A value 2, B value 3, C value minus 1 here. Therefore, n bar, the vector n bar is 2i plus 3j minus of k. Therefore, vector equation of the plane is a vector equation of the plane is a r bar minus a bar dot of n bar, that is equal to 0. Hence, r bar minus of vector a bar is this one here. So 5i plus 2j minus 4k, bracket complete. Then this equal to here in dot of n bar here, not equal to here, dot of n bar. N bar is this vector here, 2i plus 3j minus k, that is equal to 0. Just replace a bar by this vector here and n bar by this vector. Get the equation of the plane in a vector form here. Then equation of the plane in a Cartesian form here. So Cartesian equation of the plane. Cartesian equation of the plane is E into bracket x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus then c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here a value is 2 so 2 into x minus of x1 is 5, so write here 5. Then the b value is 3, so write here plus 3 into y minus y1 is 2 here, so write here 2. Then the c value minus 1, minus of 1 into z minus z1 is minus 4 here, minus of minus become plus 4 that is equal to 0. Take 2 inside the bracket here. Here so 2 into x becomes 2x. 5 2s are 10 here. Minus of 10. 3 into y becomes 3y. Plus 3y. 3 2s are 6 here. Minus of 6. Minus 1 into z. Minus z. Minus into plus minus of 4. That is equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus 3y minus z here. 2x plus 3y minus of z minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 minus 4 minus 20. Take minus 20 right hand side here is equal to plus 20. So this is the equation of the plane in the Cartesian form. So find the vector and the Cartesian equation of the planes that passing to the point 1 0 minus 2 and are normal to the plane here. Here they given this point here and this is normal. Okay. Therefore here A into bracket x1 y1 z1 is equal to 1 0 minus 2 here. Therefore the vector a bar is equal to a bar is equal to I, this I here, then 0j minus 2k here. So minus of 2k. And the normal to the plane n bar is equal to I plus j minus k here. Therefore direction ratios here. Direction ratios of n bar are A is equal to 1 here, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 1 here. C is equal to minus 1. First write here vector equation of the plane. So vector equation of the plane is R bar minus A bar dot of n bar is equal to 0. So this is the formula. Here the vector R bar minus A bar is this vector here, I minus 2k. So I minus 2k bracket complete here dot of n bar is this vector here, I plus j minus of k that is equal to 0. So this is a vector equation of the plane. Next write here Cartesian equation. So Cartesian equation of the plane. Cartesian equation of the plane is E into bracket x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus then c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here a value is 1 here. So 1 into bracket x minus x1 is 1. So write here 1. Then b value is 1 here. So write here plus 1. y minus y1 is 0, so write here 0, then plus, and c value is a minus here, so write here minus 1 into z minus z1 is minus 2 here, minus this minus becomes plus 2 here, that is equal to 0. 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 here, 1 into y becomes plus y, minus 1 into z minus 2, that is equal to 0. Yes, x plus y minus z, x plus y minus z here, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, take minus 3 right hand side here, it becomes plus 3 here. So this is the Cartesian equation of the plane. Even this example also same here. The point is 1, 4, 6 and vector normal to the plane is I minus 2j plus k. Therefore a 1, 4, 6 they given here and a normal I minus 2j plus k. Therefore a direction is 1 minus 2 and plus 1 here. So use this formula here. So vector equation of the plane is r bar minus of a bar is this vector here. So I plus 4j plus 6k, bracket complete here, dot of n bar is this vector, so I minus 2j plus k is equal to 0 here. This is the equation of the plane in vector form here. Then the Cartesian equation here, a into a value is 1 here, so 1 into bracket x minus of x1 is 1 here, so write here 1, and b value minus 2 here, so minus 2 into y minus y1 is 4, so write here 4, then c value 1 here, so plus 1 into z minus of z1 is 6 here, so write here 6 is equal to 0. 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 here, minus 2 into y minus 2y, minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8 here, 1 into z minus 6 z minus 6 that is equal to 0 here. X minus 2y plus z, x minus 2y plus z here. Then 8 minus 6 becomes 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 here, so plus 1 is equal to 0 here. Even you can take the plus 1 right hand side here, can write minus 1 in right hand side. Therefore this is the equation of the plane in Cartesian form.